Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of our Project Ozone 3 Mythic Mode series. And in today's episode, I think we're going to do something a little bit different. I am sick of doing the mystical agriculture stuff. We're not going to do very much of that today. In between episodes, all I've done here is built a couple of rooms and finished up a couple of rooms. I am working on finishing the glass for this room. I am just missing this little bit of white glass here. And I built myself a room over here on the side for our Ender IO alloy smeltery and stuff. We're going to have to get into that this episode, I believe, because I actually think it's time for us to start looking at getting into the ME system. And in order to do this, we're going to need quite a few of our machines, actually. So we're moving away from the magical side of the mod pack for a little bit, and we're going to move into the mechanical side of the mod pack for a little bit. I have spent a lot of time off camera smelting up this clear glass in our smeltery here. This smeltery is just dedicated to the clear glass. Oh, also something I did off camera was set up an ender tank, and I have a lot of lava generation going on in our specter biome. But I realized I was doing something stupid. I was still using the seared drain for the glass, and it was taking ages. And I forgot that we can set up these liquid translocators on the smeltery. So I just want to upgrade it so it'll do a stack at a time, upgrade it so that it's affected by redstone. And if I do this, we should be moving a lot faster. It still takes a long time for it to harden, but it fills up so much faster. That'll help me with my glass production quite a bit, because this little room over here has taken like 7-8 stacks. No, wait, one stack, one stack, one stack. So 3, 6, 9, 12, plus even more. So over 12 stacks of glass to get that done. I did build this room out of skystone, and these are blocks of emerald that are chiseled. I did have a few emeralds. I know that we need emeralds for other things, but I didn't want to use glass. I wanted this to have a black and green sort of aesthetic. And I found that emerald block is the one that I liked the most with the chisel. Off camera, I also went mining for a bunch of endstone, and I ended up getting like, what is it, 30,000 endstone. However, it filled up the emerald dank null, which is a lot. It is so much endstone. How much do you hold? Yeah, this much. So I filled it all the way up. It took a couple of end islands, and it processed all of it out. It took a couple of hours, but I processed all of it out into draconium, and what you see here is just a portion of the draconium that I have thanks to that and this pulverizer. And I was turning that draconium into neutral steel of the first degree, and even neutral steel of the second degree using this cryothium dust. But I found a huge bottleneck that's slowing me down. So I was able to make tier 3 crafting seeds and intermedium essence. But to do this, I need neutral steel of the second degree, which means I need gelid cryothium, which means I need cryothium dust, and I get that from blizz powder. Blizz powder I can get from an auto sieve, or snowballs in liquid XP, which I have a lot of, except for the snowballs. I actually have a limited number of snowballs. But my biggest bottleneck right now is not actually the gelid cryothium, it's blaze powder. I used up all of my blaze powder making this neutral steel of the first degree, because it requires pyrothium dust. So I can't make any more prudentium right now, because I don't have enough blaze powder to make this. I have all the sulfur in the world, but I don't have enough blaze powder. So I was looking at ways to get into more blaze powder, and of course dust, which I'm sifting, but it's only a 10% chance out of my diamond stiffened mesh, and it's going pretty slowly. The auto sieve is a 20% chance, and it goes much faster. So that's what I was probably going to get into today. But the autosieve is incredibly expensive. So if we look here, I would need a bunch of these things, and I would need circuitry, which requires transistors, which requires pneumaticraft. So before I can move any further with the magical side of our mod pack, I actually have to get back into the machine side of our mod pack and get into pneumaticraft, which is a mod that I am not intimately familiar with. I'm just a little bit familiar with. And I figured if we're going to be moving into the machine direction, pneumaticraft direction, why not start going through and filling out some of these early Zeta quest lines with our immersive engineering, right? That's what this is. I don't know about portality, but I think I could get into this fairly easily. Black quartz, I can get. Electrotine, I've got. Black quartz, electrotine, I've got. And portal frames, same, easy. And I think we could get into this. I have no idea what this mod actually does. I've never actually used it before. And while we're doing all of that, we also need to start going through and upgrading our Ender IO machines, because this simple alloy smelter, it can't be upgraded with capacitors, so it just takes years for it to do anything at all. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We might even get into the pneumaticraft if we have enough time. To get into this, we need to first start by building ourselves some coke bricks, which I've already done. I don't know how I didn't get the quest. I feel like I made 27 coke bricks already, but whatever. And I've also made myself a little platform over here by our coke ovens to build our blast furnace and our engineer's workbench and all those things. And I offset it off the ground here because I really like the verticality that I have going on my base. I think having things at different heights really makes the base feel better and more alive and allows you to do more interesting things. So let's go ahead and get those coke bricks done up. So if we go here, coke brick, and then just... No, that's not what I want. What do I want? Where is it? There we go. Coke brick. Make all of these. Ta-da! That should be enough to get that quest, right? Give me the quest. Thank you very much. Claim. And treated wood we have already made, so we'll claim that. And that opens up all of these things for us. Blast furnace is what I want to go into next. So to have the blast brick, blaze powder. I need blaze powder and brick and nether brick. So let's run over here and grab our blaze powder. I really need so much more blaze powder. My dust situation is not moving fast enough. In fact, while I'm here, I did turn off my sand so I could grab some extra sand to get glass and stuff made up. So let's just run a whole stack through and get that done up as fast as we can so that we're getting more dust sifted. What else did I need? Nether brick. I'm pretty certain I have some nether brick out here. Oh, I only have 5. I was wrong. I have no nether brick out there. Do I have any nether rack in here? Grab a stack and we'll get that processed through our super quick furnaces, which will take like no time at all. I love these zenith furnaces. And take the stack and another stack. And let's go ahead and get our blast brick created. So blast brick. And boom, there's a whole bunch of that made. While I'm here, I think I can put up my chisel, and I need to get my engineer's hammer because I'm using immersive engineering. Always need that engineer's hammer for this mod pack. So we will take this, that's complete. We've already made steel, so that's complete. The metal press is going to be useful. I do want to get down in here to the squeezer to start getting some power automated, like beyond just my solar panel power. I want to get some powers that I can set a spectre coil to and just have it being produced. So we're gonna get down in here to the diesel generator and stuff. The cloches right there too. That's gonna be pretty big, I think. So engineer's workbench. I need treated wood, a treated wood fence, and that's just sticks and a workbench. So I should have. That's blast brick. I have treated wood somewhere. Where are you? Don't have enough treated wood. I was wrong. I don't have treated wood somewhere. Let's go ahead and make our treated wood fence while we're here. Wrong thing. Those are done. And all I need, honestly, is some of this. We'll use that to get wood. We'll use that wood. And I should have my buckets. I do. And we'll come over here. This is why I have this crafting table set up right here. Let's just grab 4. So we have the crafting bench. We don't have to worry about that. That's 6. I can get 13. 13 times, I think it makes 8 every time. Is it 8 or 6? Yeah, it's 8. So that's a full stack of treated wood, which we're gonna need. So we might as well make just a bunch of it up. Okay. That should be enough to make our engineer's workbench. So go here, workbench. Got it. Set it down. I'm gonna set it down here. Yeah, I like that. I like that spot. Okay. So that is done. We'll claim our reward for that. What did we get? A bunch of blueprints, right? Metal press molds, horizontal planks. Okay. Let's just throw those things up and we'll deal with that later. I like how that looks. I really enjoy that. Okay, and the next thing that we want to move into is probably the metal press. How much is that gonna take? The conveyor belt takes, okay, I don't need plastic. I can use leather. That's good. We got it. Steel scaffolding takes a bunch of steel and steel rods. How do I get steel rods? That way. Okay. Heavy engineering block. Steel plate. Mechanical components. That I can make. Okay. This is a little more irritating. Stone, fine copper wire. I need tungsten for that. And electrum. Oh, it just takes so many steps. So many steps. Oh no. Okay, I'll do all those off camera and we'll get a machine press set up somewhere over here. Oh, but while we're doing that, we can also look into this blast furnace. Reinforced blast brick takes steel plates. So if I set up, what is it? It's a 3x3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we go up 1, 2. Pop it with our hammer. Bah! That should turn our coal coke, which we are creating over here, and some iron into steel. So I want to get that automatically going while I am working on all the other stuff that I have to work on to get through that mod pack. For this, you're going to need a whole bunch of steel, and this is not the best way to make steel. We've been making steel for ages already using our Tinker Smeltery, and it's just so much better. All you need is iron and coal, which I'm out of coal, I'll go grab some. And I need a bunch of steel plates for these heavy engineering blocks and stuff like that. And that's really easy. All you gotta do, I have a plate cast already set up, and let it go. I should probably get the fluid translocators set up over there too. That might go a lot faster, even though it's already pretty fast. I also need a bunch of Invar, which is iron and nickel. I've already got nickel set up. I've already got iron set up in here, so we'll just throw some nickel in and get the Invar processing. That'll get that going. And what else did we need? This needed zinc, and it needs tungsten and copper wire, which needs copper plates. And I don't have any copper plates. Do I have tungsten? Oh, I have Invar right here. I've already got Invar. I need to pay attention to that. Okay. I also, do I have tungsten, titanium, tungsten? I do have some tungsten. So we have all the stuff that we need to make this. I also have zinc. I do have a bunch of copper, so I'm not worried about that. This requires redstone wire coils, which I already have, or I should already have. And iron and MV wire coils, which is electrum, which I have. And copper and titanium. Do I have titanium? Yes. All right, so I have everything. I also have some, no, that's boron. I thought that was steel. I also have, well, I have pretty much everything I need. It's just going to take me some time to get it all processed the way it needs to be processed. See, my Invar is filling up. Let's pull you out. I don't need to melt down any more of that because I don't have any iron left over. And we'll start processing out some copper while we're in there. What feels like 1 million crafting steps later, like literally 1 million crafting steps later, we end up with our metal press quest. So we'll claim that. And that opens up the squeezer, which takes kind of a lot of stuff, but we've made most of it already. We're just gonna need a bunch of steel. That's gonna be an issue. Let's throw our rack away. We have some leftover steel plates. Should I consider throwing them back in there to reconvert it over? I'll probably do just that. And we want to come over here and set up our metal press. So our metal press, I think we're gonna put it right over here. And I do have the projector, right? I have no idea how to use this projector. So simple machines, where is the... It's not what I'm looking for. Heavy machinery, metal press. So the metal press is scaffolding, the redstone block scaffolding, a piston facing down, and the engineering block over on the top of it. So this will go... I do want to leave some space for some like storage, so we'll pop it right here. And then we should have scaffolding here and here. Let's throw this down, and then we'll put a heavy engineering block on top. Then we break this, grab it, and I should have a piston over here somewhere. Take that. Yeah, I know this has to go face down, so that's the wrong way, and I don't have my excuse me. No! No, piston! Oh, whew! Pistons are incredibly expensive, so... Are you serious? Will you please go the right way? There we go. And now we need a conveyor belt here, and a conveyor belt here. And all we should do now is smack it with our hammer, right? Boop. There we go. So we have our metal press. We don't have the plate. I do need to make the plate. 5 steel plates, 1 engineer's wire cutters. So I'll work on that. I do need to get the plate set up. I do need to get the rod. Maybe the wire. The other things I don't care too much about. But I can set up storage here and gather it all up and send it out automatically. So that is taken care of. So let's look at what else we can get into here. So the improved blast furnace is going to be steel plates and blast brick. I should have some steel plates left over. I need... You know, now that I've melted all those down, I really wish that I didn't. Let's pull that back out. I have Invar plates, molten Invar. Get our plate press. I really need to clear my inventory out at this point. And get some steel going, but not a whole ton. And while I'm here, let's just grab and make an ugly double chest over here. In all honesty, I should probably set up another one of those storage benches like I have over there. But for right now, I really just want to be emptying my inventory of all of this immersive engineering stuff. So I just want all of this out and somewhere safe to put it for right now. And when I get my ME system set up, then we can worry about consolidating all of our storage, which will be a huge job. But it's not a job I want to do right now. I have some steel left over. Steel plate. And then we're going to switch you out for this. And just get it going. Get that steel sorted out. Okie dokie, so I have 13. I can make a little bit more. Take this, this, and we are going to break our multi-block. There we go, thank you. And what I want to do is I want to make these better blast bricks. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 9 is 14 more. So I need 14 more steel plates, which is pretty easy. Now, in order to get this set up, I need to provide it with power. I already have my sheet plate set there. And I have most of these voltage wires, low voltage, medium voltage, and high voltage. I just need to craft myself some high voltage wire to get the quest. So that's aluminum here, steel here. This is not very hard. We already had a bunch of this already set up. And that should be that quest done. Claim our prize, and we need these voltage connectors now. So I have a high voltage connector already done. The medium voltage is iron and then copper. I just need some clay, which I should have. I should already have some terracotta made if I check in my storage shelf here. Ooh, I spelled it wrong. Oh no, I don't. Huh, what about HV? Okay, so let's get a bunch of this. I do need to get some more dust over here to get some more clay going. But we'll get a bunch of that. And then I need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I already have the aluminum, but I'll make some just because I took the time to get the terracotta, right? Oh, there's the terracotta I already had. Duh. So let's go here, 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 here. Balance that out. 1, 2, 3. That's the high. 1, 2, 3. That's the low. And 1, 2, 3. That is the medium voltage connectors done up. Let's come over here and we'll claim our quest. Now we have a way to connect our power. We just need to find a way to make power. We have the thermoelectric generator here. And what the thermoelectric generator does, I'm not 100% sure. Power, thermoelectric generator, without the use of the temperature gradients between two sources. Placing a hot fluid on one side and a cold fluid on the other side generates energy. So packed ice, magma, illorium, and plutonium. I can make packed ice. That's not a problem. I can make packed ice. I do want to work here towards this diesel generator, though. That's what I want to get towards eventually. But while we're waiting for that, we can certainly get it set up to create. Let's just pop off here on the side. I think we can go packed ice here. And then I think we can go the generator here and magma there. Or yellorium. I should have a ton of yellorium. Right. And was yellorium better than magma? I don't remember. Not the biodiesel, the thermoelectric. Instead, they use the temperature gradients between two sources. So placing a hot fluid on one side and a cold fluid on the opposing side generates energy. So I don't have uranium, but I do have yellorium. Let's get that. Where is my yellorium? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I just throw that in the factorizer? And I need to get rid of these. Thank you. And I'm pretty sure all I need to make packed ice is my... There's yellorium. I should have some ice essence here. And if I go and I search for packed ice, I should be able to make it using ice essence. Yes. Good. So convert all this down. We got 1,000,000 packed ice now. I don't know what I'll use it for, but I got it. So we'll throw this into our bulk storage and we'll never see it again. Probably never ever see it again. So what do I need for you? Constantine plates. I got tons of Constantine. I need a steel plate. I've got these. Ooh, this is a little more difficult. So what do I need for the small battery? Zinc and sulfur. Easy. I've got that. So let's go ahead and make our small battery. 1, 2, 3. And do I have zinc in my inventory? No, of course I don't. And I need to switch out this thing one more time. Grab you. I need a gear plate. Oh, my inventory is so gross. You know what? I don't need you. Well, I do need you. I do need you. What am I talking about? I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. And I don't need these eggs I just picked up from my stupid stuck chickens. These chickens have been with me this entire series. They are my best friends and my worst enemies. They've been here the whole time. Okay, so you go down. Bam. Put that on top. Switch it out to the Constantine. Get myself one Constantine gear made. And then get the plate cast. Hurry up and make. There we go. And then how many of those did I need? 4. Do I need anything else? I do need copper and tungsten. What do I need for you? Tungsten block. So I'm gonna need how many tungsten blocks? 2. I need 2 tungsten blocks. Okay, okay, game. I see you getting very expensive. I need to set up some netherrack generation to get that going. Or I could go mine a bunch of netherrack with my dank null and have that sorted. So, whoop, whoop. Where am I going? Here. There we go. Thank you. And what else did I need for that? So, 1 steel plate. I need zinc. I need 2 more tungsten, 2 more copper wire. So, tungsten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zinc. I should have copper plates. Wrong button. I want to go here and probably do... Let's try 4 for now. And that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, That should give me 4 of those. How many did I need? This is... I just needed 1. I wasted it. I wasted it. 3, 3, 3. That's you. While I'm here, 1, 2. Put you back. Get my Constantan plates. We'll stop you. And I need... Wrong button. I need 1 steel plate. Okay. Whew. So, if I go here... Thermophile. And then this. Alright, let's see what we got. Quest complete. Icy hot generator. Thank you very much. Throw this here. Boom. I should have a medium here. And we'll put a medium there. And now I just need... I have high voltage. What do I need for medium voltage wire? Oh, I can claim that. What am I doing? Claim. Thank you. What do I need for medium? It's electrum. I can go get that. I can go get that. Well, I didn't know if this was working, but I found out because when you look, bam, gets hurt. Okay, I've got quite a bunch of stuff going through. Can I... Yeah, okay. So that is working. And it's just gonna throw it out on the other end. I need to get a chest set up over here. Can I throw a stack at a time? Does it only take 1? Yeah, okay. I need to get this sorted. I think it automatically takes from a chest on one side and puts into a chest on the other side. So if I just go and grab 2 chests, I should be okay. Let's see. Let's find out together. How many chests do I have left? Plenty. I made up like 1 billion chests at the beginning of this series, and I haven't gone through all of them yet. So if I put a chest here and a chest here, get rid of this. Will it automatically output? No? What do I need? Let's find out if it'll automatically input. Break, please. Thank you. Whoops, missed. Will you automatically input? Yes. Huh. It's been a while since I've played around with this. I know it won't work if I do that. Okay, I'll figure that out. That's what I thought. All I needed was to throw a hopper right there, and it will automatically work its magic. Let's go ahead and get as many of these iron plates as we can get working up automatically so that we don't have to think or worry about it. And I need to work on getting this back into creating steel. So what do I need for you? I need this blast furnace preheater, which means I need 8 of these. Or 7 of these, sorry. So I need 8 plates, which I got. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Takes care of that. What else is it needed? It needed that thing on the bottom. External heater. This is more difficult. Okay, so Invar plates I've got. Red alloy I've got. Graphite I can get. You know what? No, graphite essence is too far. So graphite, if I just cook down coal, I can get that. I should have graphite already in there. What else do I need for that? Graphite. This is requiring black porcelain, aluminum, and copper. So that's just porcelain and black. We can get that. And then low voltage wires and iron. Do I have any low voltage left over? No, but I can make the low voltage wires pretty easily. I have Invar plates here already. I do need porcelain, so... Can I just convert that over? Porcelain... Can I just convert that over? No, I still need to drop it down. Okay, well, let's work on that. we have squid ink over here. I don't need very much. I should have clay over here. Got a bunch of plates over here too. Look at this. This needs to be cleaned up so badly. It needs to be worked on so much. But I'm waiting until I get that ME system. It's not such a big deal until I get that ME system done. I know that I just sent a bunch of clay through here. Yeah. Whoops. Let's grab all that. And we'll grab all of this. And we'll get this sorted. So that's done. Throw this out of our inventory. Get out of there. And then what do you... Whoa, Enderman! Back off! I see you. We need to go ahead and get a bunch of these set up. 23. And then can I... Does it have to be fired or can I just... Yeah, it probably has to be cooked. Okay, let's go cook it up. So this should be our improved blast furnace taken care of. So we just pop. There we go. Throw our... Can we... No, that doesn't go there. It goes on the back, I think, right? So can we... No, that's not where that goes. It has to go here, right? Do we just... Pop? Does it go there? No. How do I set you down? Let's look. So... Slag comes out of the back. Steel is output at the front. Everything else goes to the top. So these preheaters have to go to the side. There we go. I think that's got it. And that should help speed it up if I have our connectors. So if I put my medium voltage connector on top... Whoa, not that. Not you. Come back here. And I connect you to you. It's too far. I don't have enough wire. Is that what it is? Do I need more electrum wire? Well, let's I'll deal with that in a second. Okay, so I need to put coal coke into you. And you also need iron. So let's grab electrum while we're here, and we'll grab some iron while we're here. Boom. And boom. Yes, thank you very much. Come flying back over here, and zoop. Throw our electrum in there to get processed into plates. And pop our iron up here. And it should go a little bit faster. Well, if I connect this up, right? Then it'll go a little bit faster. If I make this... I need 2 more. Thank you. Thank you very much. And then we go here, here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have enough wire to link? Linking from here. Ooh. It's still too far. Huh. So I guess I need to set up for right now. The connection is obstructed. Thank you very much, game. What if I... Do I have any blocks nearby? Some simple, easy blocks. Not those, not you. Let's just grab a bunch of this. And we'll set up you. And we'll go you to you to you. I can't attach this wire here. What about to you? Can't attach this wire here. You to you. Okay, come on. How do I deal with you? Can't attach here. Can't attach here. All right, I'll figure that out. And just vein mine this down. Get all that back. Thank you very much. I feel kind of silly. I knew I needed relays and not to connect the wires straight to the connectors. So I got it set up, but the issue that we're facing right now is that I am not producing nearly enough power to even power this. So this is not going any faster. Still a pretty slow process getting this still created. So we're going to need to make at least another one of these, but the big thing is we're going to need better power generation than what we've got right here. I keep hitting the wires. So if you see, I have no more power there. Ah, quit hitting the wires. Ah! And I have no power going here because it's not producing enough to power both this and that. So we're going to look into power generation. Excuse me. I needed to make 2. Ah, that's why. Well, I'll get that next time. We'll definitely get that next time. So in order to create more power, we can look at this squeezer. And what the squeezer does, it needs some steel pipe, or steel frames, fences. Whoa, what's wrong with me? Which I can make. Fluid pipes, which are easy to make. And this wooden barrel, which is also super easy to make. In fact, we can make the fluid pipes like right now. That was just what? This and this. Done. And then I do have treated, no, that's blast bricks. I thought I had treated wood over here. Do I have, I usually keep it in this. Yeah. So I need planks. Put this on the top, this on the side. Boom, that's done. Can we finish this? I need 4, so I need this. Then we'll need to do this. And then we'll need to do this. And that is just enough to get that done. And the steel fences, I have enough steel to do that. I am hopeful. I need 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's that. And then it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And then 1, 2 in the middle. Boom, steel fence done. Quest complete, right? Yeah, squeezer is done. And next episode, we will be setting up the squeezer and this fermenter and this biodiesel fuel generator, which is, you know, down here. And that'll help us produce enough power to power a lot of the stuff around our base pretty easily using spectre coils and various things. If you like this episode, feel free to give me a like down below. I am powering my way through this mod pack the best way I know how, trying to get through it, working. We're about, even though immersive engineering is like a beginning stuff, I feel like we're just about halfway through the mod pack if we consider that we are working our way through the magical crops here pretty well. Well, everybody, this has been SCG Sheep, and as always, I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.